Hey guys, this stuff's coming down in buckets. It's really coming down fast. I actually came out here earlier, which is really still early, because what I do is in the morning, I'll show you one of the things I do in the morning. I like to be outside, and right now it's, obviously I can't stay outside long, but I'll come outside a few times a day, and I try, because it's still early in the season, to keep up with shoveling at least off the porch. But not the best shovel job, but see, I already shoveled this stuff like maybe half an hour ago. Look at it. It's already starting to cover again. I will obviously, in upstate New York, I will not be able to keep up with this because there'll be like overnight stuff and things, and it will just overtake me. But I do try to shovel off as much as I can. It's been that morning where I wake up in the morning and I decide what has to be done, and I hate when I have to do this, but I'm sure you other women can relate. I have to kind of run through some of the day with my husband while he's still tired, because it involved immediate cooking. So he's good about it, but I like to talk to him because I was going to make some soup, and he's like, don't make so much. And it kind of changed how I was going to do my soup. I'm going to make, because we're on a diet, so we're going to have a vegetable soup for lunch, because I'm cooking chicken and I'm parboiling it. So I'm going to use some of that chicken, and then we're going to have some kind of taco thing tonight because Clay likes tacos. And we're having our bread this morning, so we're doing that. So Clay's like, this is too much. And it's like, well, you gotta eat this, because I knew that was gonna be part of his bread, and I don't want him to be hungry and want a snack. So, because I know he's conscious and he's losing. So look at the snow. So beautiful. I love it. But it's actually kind of cold, but not as cold as yesterday. But this was a terrible little job because I had my phone in one hand and shoveling in the other. But the way the snow's whipping, I doubt I'm going to be able to keep up with it probably after today. But who knows? But at least I'll have a little spot right here that I'll do. And some will melt and stuff too. So anyway, thought you guys might enjoy seeing a little bit of the activities that go on in upstate New York. Clay would do all this for me, but I just do it because I like to be outside, and it gives me a chance to see outside. And I think it's really good for you to get outside every day, even if it's for 2 minutes. Kind of clears your mind and gives you something different to look at. Even if it's your front porch, your back porch, or walking in the driveway. My mother taught me that a long time ago. I used to walk out to the chickens, but since we don't have the chickens, I'm just walking on the front porch. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.